Hi, second graders. I hope you're all doing well. This is Mrs. Isham, and we are going to do our last lesson for topic 13. This is one of my favorite lessons. It really gets your brain thinking. So if you are ready, we are going to watch our interactive video and then do the front page of our magazine for 13.5. All right, let's do this. Words to know. Say it. Words to know. Organized list. Say it.
Organized list.
Organized list. Tally mark.
Tally mark.
And a banana.
Banana.
Awesome. Banana.
Read and understand. You have some quarters, dimes, and nickels. You want to buy a banana. How many ways can you make 30 cents? Let's find out.
So we are going to do different ways, make an organized list to do different ways to make 30 cents. Go.
What do you know?
What do we know? What do we know? I know we know a lot of things, but what do we know about this problem?
You know you have some quarters, dimes, and nickels. You want to buy a banana that costs 30 cents.
So we know the banana costs 30 cents and we have quarters, dimes, and nickels to use.
What are you trying to find out?
Our goal is to find out different ways or combinations to make 30 cents.
You want to find out the different combinations of quarters, dimes, and nickels that make 30 cents. Plan. An organized list shows different ways to make the same amount. Tally marks record the number of coins.
So we're going to use an organized list to figure out different ways to make the same amount of 30 cents. And we're going to use tally marks. Remember, tally marks, each tally mark is worth 1. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. When we get to our 5th tally mark, we cross it.
What strategy is being used to solve the problem?
So look at our organizational chart or list here. What do you think their strategy they used? Take a look. Ways to show 30 cents. We have a column here. Columns go this way. Everyone, if you know Mrs. Isham, do your motions. Columns this way. And then we have rows that go this way. Show me rows with your hands. I hope you're doing it. We have quarters, columns of quarters, columns of dimes, columns of nickels, and then our totals, which should all be 30 cents. Here we have 1 quarter. We know quarters are worth 25 cents, dimes are worth 10 cents, nickels worth 5 cents. So we have 1 quarter worth 25 cents and 1 nickel worth 5 cents. 25 plus 5 is 30 cents. So here we've done 1 quarter and 1 nickel. Now, is there any other way to use another quarter? No. So then we're going to go to dimes. We have 1, 2, 3 dimes, 10, 20, 30 cents. Is there any other way to use 3 dimes? No, because if we use 3 dimes and a nickel, it'd be 35 cents, and that's too much. Or if we use 3 dimes and a quarter, that would be 55 cents. That's way too much. So then we go down. Here we have 2 dimes, 10, 20, and then we have 2 nickels, 25, 30. Now we only have 1 dime here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels. 4 nickels, Mrs. Isham. And then we have no dimes and 6 nickels. What is our strategy here?
The strategy is making an organized list.
Yeah, we're making an organized list.
How does making an organized list help you?
Tell me, how does it help you? Does it help you see different combinations that have been used? Yeah.
One answer is an organized list helps you keep track of all the possibilities. Solve. Let's look at how this list is organized.
Okay, Mrs. Asher kind of looked at that already.
It starts by listing the combinations of coins with a quarter and nickel and some dimes. You see 1 quarter and 1 nickel that make 30 cents.
So 25 plus 5 is 30 cents.
You also see 3 dimes that make 30 cents.
So 10, 20, 30 cents.
Next, it lists all of the combinations with dimes and nickels.
So then we have 2 dimes, 10, 20, and then 2 nickels, 25, 30. Now we can't add any quarters here or any more nickels or dimes, because that would be too much. Then we go down one, take away 1 dime and replace it with 2 nickels. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 cents.
You see 2 dimes and 2 nickels that make 30 cents. You also see 1 dime and 4 nickels that make 30 cents. Then it lists the combinations with nickels.
So just nickels. We have 6 nickels here.
You see 6 nickels that make 30 cents.
Let's count. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Look back. The list shows you can make 30 cents 5 ways using quarters, dimes, and nickels. How could you check to make sure all of the combinations equal 30 cents?
How could we make sure they all equal 30 cents? Could we do the value of each tally mark and add?
One way is to use coins and count how much money you have.
Or we could get coins out and show 1 quarter and 1 nickel. Yeah.
Now you know how to make an organized list to solve a problem.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we are going to move on to our we are going to move on to our magazine. Okay, our goal here is to make 35 cents. And we're going to use an organized list to make 35 cents in different ways. Now, let's start with the greatest coin. So we're going to use quarters, dimes, and nickels. We're going to use a quarter. So can we use another quarter though? 25 and 25, that'd be 50 cents. That's too much. So let's just do 1 quarter. And then let's do dimes first. Can we do 1 quarter and 1 dime? So 25, 35. Did we make it? Yeah, awesome job. Now can we use a quarter and another dime and a nickel? So that'd be 25, 35, 40. No, we can't. So can we use a dime again? No. But could we still use a quarter? Yeah. So we're going to do 25. 25. We can't use a dime again. So 25, let's count, do nickels now. 25, 30, 35. So we used 1 quarter and 2 nickels. Did we use all of our ways with the quarter? Yeah, we have. There's no other ways. So let's move on to dimes. How many dimes could we do first? Let's do 10, 20, 30. Can we add another dime? No, because that would be 40 and that would be way too much. So we could do 10, 20, 30 and add 1 nickel, 35. Now, Mrs. Ashram's going to teach you a trick. Instead of using 3, we're going to do 2 now. 10, 20. And then let's do our nickels. Count. Now we're counting by 5s. 25, 30, 35. Let's count that again. This is actually messed up. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. Ooh, what do you see? I see 3 dimes here and 1 nickel. Then it went down to 2 dimes here and 3 nickels. I wonder what will be the next one. We're going to do 1 dime, 10, and then we're going to add our nickels. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Ooh. So we used 1 dime here, and how many nickels? 5. What do you see? So 3 and 1 3 dimes and 1 nickel, 2 dimes and 3 nickels, 1 dime and 5 nickels. Now, can we use dimes again? No, we've used all our combinations for dimes and nickels. So, can we use a way for just nickels? Yeah, let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, cross 25, 30, 35. How many nickels did we use? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count it again by counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So here, let's try it again. So we had 1 quarter and 1 dime equals 35 cents. 1 quarter and 2 nickels equals 35 cents. 3 dimes and 1 nickel is 35 cents. 2 dimes and 3 nickels is 35 cents. 1 dime and 5 nickels are 35 cents. And no dimes and 7 nickels equals 35 cents. Do you see how I use an organized list? I start with the greatest value of coins, and then I get smaller. Yeah, everyone notice that? Let's look. For the inside of your magazine, you're going to have to show me different amounts using different types of coins. Again, I would start with the greatest value and then go smaller and use more of the smaller value coins. All right, I'm going to leave you guys to finish your magazine on your own. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or any of your other teachers. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson, and again, we always miss you and we hope to see you guys soon. All right, have a good day. Bye.